Searching Maori-owned land online.
First thing you want to do, type in Māori land online into Google, click the first link, and then head over to map search. This is the first way we're going to look at some of these blocks of land. Okay, we can zoom in, we can see all these grey shaded blocks, they're all Māori owned land, we can click on them. You see down the bottom here it says view title details. If we click on that, we get the specifics of the block. Got the boundaries there, we've got some details on the left, and we've got all the title owners listed here underneath. Now another thing we can do up the top is owner interest search. So here we can type in a specific name. We use a very generic name here, Ian Smith. Scroll down, click on a random name and click search. And here we can see all of the blocks of land that this individual is a registered owner on. Again, we can click on the block, it'll bring up the same details as before. Details on the side,